Welcome to Stampin' Up with aCraftyChick's 3-Minute Thursday series. I am your host, Jacqueline Shield. Today I'm going to show you a technique to fix your paper project if you use too much glue. I already have a sentiment that is stamped from the Love What You Do stamp set from Stampin' Up. And I'm using the basic black stamping pad. That's already prepared. I'm going to glue the sentiment. I'm going to glue the sentiment here on another piece of cardstock, and I'm going to use too much glue on purpose for the sake of this demonstration. I'm using the Tombow liquid glue from Stampin' Up, which is super sticky. So let's put some glue on here. Oops, lots and lots and lots of glue on the edges. Just, wow. There we go. So we've got lots of glue and we want it to ooze out. There. And I'm using a silicone craft sheet from Stampin' Up so I don't mess up my... Okay, so there's all that glue sticking out. Get it nice and squishy. So what you want to do first is get a clean cloth, paper towel or something, and wipe away the excess. Now you'll see it's still sticky. This Tombow glue is super sticky. Okay. So then what we're going to do is take our Stampin' Up Embossing Buddy, and we're going to tap, tap, tap. And wipe it off. Okay, its stickiness is gone. It's no longer sticking to my fingers. Gone. So just take a clean cloth or your fingers and you can wipe off the excess. Get a clean cloth. Flip this over. And there you have it. You can't see that there was any embossing powder on it. Ignore that my item is crooked, but it's not sticking. I mean, before you could see it stuck to my finger just from touching it. It's not sticking anymore. And that's it. Voila, no more sticky. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook business page, my blog, and my Stampin' Up store site. Also, check out my Etsy store, where I sell retired and discontinued Stampin' Up products, as well as the exclusive list of current products Stampin' Up allows demonstrators to sell. Thank you for joining me in Stampin' Up with aCraftyChick's 3-Minute Thursday. Happy crafting!